What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet security features to protect your account. Let's get straight into it. First off, you want to know that Google Wallet has a couple of security features. The first is two-factor authentication, so that adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second form of verification. There's also encryption, so Google Wallet encrypts your financial information, to protect it from unauthorized access. There's also secure tokenization, where Google Wallet uses secure tokenization to protect your financial information. And of course, there's also fraud detection, so Google Wallet has inbuilt fraud detection to detect and prevent suspicious activities. Now, when it comes to managing Google Wallet's security features, there are a couple of things that you can do there. You can view account activities, so that's going to you can view that account activities to detect any suspicious transactions. You could also set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activities and such. You could also update your account information, such as your password and two-factor authentication settings. Now here are a couple of things you can do if you suspect suspicious activities. The first is to contact Google Wallet support immediately. You could also change your password and two-factor authentication settings to prevent further unauthorized access. You could also monitor your account activities closely to detect any further suspicious transactions. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.